Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great. Today I'll be making some brown stew sliced fish, rice and peas, and some potato salad. And here is my friend. I'd like to introduce you guys to Snappy. Yes, this is my friend Snapper. And here is my husband deconstructing Snappy. So yeah, my husband is just slicing up this snapper for me, well, for us. And this is listen, thank God for husband, because if I'm me alone, this was not gonna go down. Maybe would have tried just bust him in a two, and then that would be it, because all that thumping down pan knife and all them things, no, these hands can't do that. Nah, bruh. Nah. But yeah. So yeah, we're just gonna slice it up and then wash him off again, because him did scale and wash and everything. But of course, you rinse him off again, and then now we're going to mix up our seasoning to go on it. So this is some onion powder, salt, all-purpose seasoning, and your fish seasoning, and also some garlic powder. And I also added some black pepper, right? So go ahead, give it a mix and a twirl and a swirl, and make sure that, you know, everything is combined well. And then now we're gonna go in on our fish. By the way, Vibe Sam, when you wash your fish, then please take paper towel and pat it dry, right? Because if you're gonna put that wet fish in that pot with that hot oil, I'm telling you, a lot of things gonna pop off and you don't want anything popping off, right? So yeah, take a paper towel and pat your fish dry before you put the seasoning on it. And also another thing, when you see how me put a lot of seasoning on my fish, now is either going to try to rub it out, like make sure you rub it good, or you put less, right? Depending on if your fish look dark. Because the thing with putting a lot of seasoning on your fish is that it is going to look like it burn and it no burn. You guys get what I'm saying? But yeah, I don't have no problem with that, because I like my food seasoned. I know it ain't burn, so I'm good. So you guys good? Good? Yeah, then we all good. Okay, so yeah, do you and I do is me's. So yeah, here is the finished product, and now here are my other ingredients that I'll be using. So I cut up the potato and some carrot for the potato salad. Of course, my seasoned fish, peas they are soaked from overnight. So let's get these peas cooked. So of course, I'm putting my peas in my pot, added some garlic, put some more hot water on it, and then I'm going to leave that to cook until it is soft. And now I'm putting on my potato salad. So I added some salt to the hot water, pour in my potato, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get some more water into the container and add some more. And of course, add my cleanly, nicely washed egg. I don't play those games. So yeah, let's go back to the peas. Let's check the peas to make sure that it is cooked, right? And let's juke him. Obviously, very cooked, very much cooked. So yeah, so let's take this off, put it one side to cool. Well, pour off the water, please. So now I'm adding some coconut milk to my cooked peas, and now we're going to season the pot. So I'm adding some pimento seed, drop, pop, scallion and thyme, right? And some salt, and give it a twirl, give it a mix, give it a spin. And yeah, we're going to cover it and make it boil for about 10 minutes. Or me not just want to say bring it to a boil, because then it can happen really fast, and I'm adding a pepper, a scotch bonnet, just for flavor. But yeah, about 10 minutes. And here it is, all done. And I'm gonna add my rice. My rice has been washed thoroughly. Get rid of all that starch. Make sure you wash your rice until the water is running, looking nice and clean, and you know, yeah, it's good for you. But guess what? Do you, boo? If you don't want to do that, that's okay, right? No judgment around here. So yeah, give it a stir, and then I'm just checking to make sure the pepper not burst up. Yeah, give it a stir, and then we're gonna cover this on medium heat and leave it to do what it do. So now we're going to fry the fish. I'm adding some oil to my skillet and some garlic and pepper, of course, just for flavor. And Vibes Fam, please don't do like me, because I don't know why I should have just maybe only just put 3 pieces of fish in that pot. But me ram it up as usual like a country boss. So here is my rice. Now that the liquid is all dried down, we're gonna give it a stir, but take it in. Take in the niceness before me go in it. Okay, now let's stir it up. So yeah, we're just going to stir it up. And at this point in time, guess what? You see the scallion and the thyme, like them, you can take those out. But I'm going to leave them in, because just in case, I don't want to miss no flavor in case one more little something there for pop. Just, yeah, I'm leaving it in. So yeah, and just sort out the pepper, put him to the middle, take off my rice grain off of it, cover down my pot, and make it finish cook. And now I'm taking out my fish. By the way, I didn't mention that you just fry the fish until each side is golden brown, right? To your liking, and then take it out. So you don't necessarily have to like fry it for long and you dry out the fish. You don't need to do all of that. You just need some color on it. You see my seasoning how it burn? That's what I'm talking about. But the fish itself don't burn. Don't get that twisted now, right? But as I said, I don't mind that. So yeah, let's work on this potato salad. So I'll link the recipe to my potato salad down below. Right, so I added some chopped up sweet pepper, onion, and the works, right? So that's what I added, and I add some egg. You don't have to put any egg in there, and I did the mayonnaise, right? But I'll link the recipe to my awesome potato salad, not because it's my one. Well, my mom recipe, trust me. Vibes Fam, it tastes so good, so good. And now I'm adding some sweet corn, green peas. And yeah, give it a stir and just try get it all together. And please, guys, taste as you go along. So when you're making your potato salad, taste it and ting and make sure it tastes good. And if it's good, then we move on. Okay, not before adding some black pepper. Just add a little bit of black pepper. And yes, you can't leave this out, because the tanginess of that mayonnaise, nah, fam, you need to add some sugar. I'm telling you, so good, so good. So yeah, add the sugar and then just combine everything. And then that's gonna be us. And we're moving on to the next train. Well, after we finish stirring this. Right, so what are we gonna check on next? Comment down below and tell me, what do you think I'm going for next? Let's see if you get it right. Of course, I'm showing you guys the rice, because it's all done, and look at it, and look. Okay, so now let's go back to the fish. So I'm adding some onion and sweet pepper. I barely have any oil in the pot, because I don't like a lot of oil, and give it that time going with the other things that I'm going to be adding, we don't need that. So yeah, now some minced garlic and about a tablespoon and a half ginger. A tablespoon ginger, right? Grated ginger. And yeah, just saute those and allow them to the flavors to come together for about 2 minutes or so. And then yeah, we'll come back to it, right? So give it some time. And this is it after 2 minutes. Now I'm adding some ketchup and some jerk sauce and some water. Now Vibes Fam, with this you guys are going to, and I added some hot water and give it a mix. Now Vibes Fam, you have to taste, right? You're going to taste and make sure say everything is good. Don't taste yet, not at this point in time. So you're going to try combine the ketchup and the jerk sauce and all them things. You add some sugar, and I added some pepper. So if you have your regular, Scotch bonnet and stuff, you can add that if you want. And yeah, mix this up. Now this is when you're gonna taste, because you want to make sure that it is the right taste for you, right? And if it's not, then you add some more sugar or whatever. So yeah, I added some browning, a little bit, just to take away from it being just so red with the ketchup, right? I just wanted it to have a little bit more color. So go in, give it a stir, and then I left it to simmer for about 4 minutes, and then I came back and added my little fishes, right? So I added my fish, and then look at you tail, by the way, I love fish tail. And then we're going to pour this amazing, nicely awesome, tasty sauce all over this fish. All over it. So good. Vibes Fam, I am feeling something in my head right now, because guess what? You see, every time, honestly, every single time when I have to do these videos, and remember, me already eat this, me know how it tastes. Can I tell you, this I mash up my mates? Because honestly, I wish I could have just grab peace. By the way, I wish Smelly Vision was in full effect also, because you guys need to smell this. So good, but it tastes even better. So yeah, put the sauce all over it, and then you're going to just leave it for about 5 minutes. I did not cover mine because I wanted my fish to still have somewhat of a crunch to it. Now if you want your own for soft and thing, then you can cover it for the 5 minutes. By the way, you can just put the gravy on it, the sauce on it, and then just leave it. As in, just serve it. So here it is, Vibes Fam. The fish is all done. This is it. Looking so glorious. And here we have it, Vibes Fam. Yeah. Ooh, Anna, ooh, Anna, ooh, Anna, ooh, ooh, Anna, eh. Vibes Fam, una listen to me. Boom, bang, 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 bang. When I tell you, because I'm telling you, when I think about the goodness of Jesus and what he has done for me by providing, glory, by providing dinner like this, my soul cries out, thank you. Oh, yes, Lord, thank you for saving me and my belly. Oh, yes, Lord, I'm so grateful. Vibes, I'm taking the rice. So, muchos goodos. I'm telling you, yes, guys, I did Spanish in high school, and also when I went to UTech, I sure did. Muchos goodos. So good. So good. Look panda fish. Come to the front of the line. Step out. Walk out, fishy. Can you know say you're good? Hey, can you know? So good, Vibes Fam, looking so glorious. A potato salad, don't think I forget you. Gravy, yes. Listen, I never mentioned, I grate some carrot, and I make a little tomato rose, and I say, yeah, you that look good. I'm add some avocado, because of course, I love avocado. Pear, I love pear. That's for my Jamaicans right there. We say pear, love it. But Vibes Sam, this meal is so good. Try it. Yes, use the jerk sauce, use the ginger. I'm telling you, so good, so good, and it no matter what brand jerk sauce, just use it. But thank you so much for watching Vibe Sam, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. God bless you.